So hello guys, today I'm gonna explain how to use and configure AD Connect to synchronize the users of your domain controller to Office 365, and I hope you guys enjoy and I help you, and please subscribe the channel, it's very important for me. So that's all. Let's start. So to start to do this, first we need to add the domain here. I'm gonna go to Domains and Trusts. We need to go to Actions and then Properties. And here we have to add our domain. In my case, we're gonna be okay, let's add it. It's here. It's okay. As I don't have a lot of users on this because it's just a lab. We can go to users, and this is the only one that matters. So let's go to Properties. An account. Now you have the new domain. You can put here the new domain. It's okay. Now for synchronize, we need to allow to open so we need to change this to off. Right, okay, then put on later to this, and we have the edge now. Let's see, it goes. We are in, so we're gonna go to Admin Center. So now on Admin Center we're gonna go to Active Users. In Active Users we're gonna go to the More Actions and Directory Synchronization. After this we're gonna do next. We're gonna do a continuous synchronization. This we will not need because it's a brand new domain controller, but if it is an old domain controller or complex domain controller, complex infrastructure, you need to check this. This will check all of your domain controller users and objects, and will tell you the problems you have that you have to fix. It's a very complex tool, and it can be a little bit difficult to read sometimes, but we'll help you to correct the errors. It's important to do this because some of the errors can end of object deletion or data loss. So if you have a very complex infrastructure, you need to analyze this. We will not do that. So let's continue. We're gonna do with the AD Connect for the local domain controller. It's the case. So we need to download the tool. There you go. Now we run the tool. the tool will identify this is a domain controller. And okay, I will agree. We're gonna do an express configuration because it's a very simple configuration in my case. If you have a different scenario, you can always contact me. So now he will ask for a global administrator on Azure AD. So in my case, he will gonna use this information. On Microsoft that I want. So you need to put the on Microsoft. If you don't know where it is, this you can check this on active users. It's your administrator. In my case, it's this one. If you select, you will have the on Microsoft here. Okay. This is what the tool is asking. So next you're gonna connect to your server. It's the same user. There you go. And now you need to provide the domain admin for your domain controller. In my case, will be this guy here, and the account of this, it's just okay. So provide this. Now she's complaining about this is not added on the cloud, but we don't need this on the cloud. We just need this one. That was the first one that we put it on the beginning of the video. So the other one is not needed. So we will start synchronization. Up a little bit the video, it's taking a while. Okay, so it's complete. We can exit this, and now we can verify if we have new user here. And there you go, it's an on-premise one, it's on license. So after finish the configuration, we're gonna test this. This is where you can change your configuration, and to access the tool we go to program C, program files, we enter AD Sync, initial, and we have here the application. We can send this to desktop, and after we open, we have here the full configuration. We have what was done and everything. So to test this, we're gonna create a new user here. We're gonna new user. We're gonna create a user test. So the first name is gonna be user. First name test. Put it here with the right one. Let's do next. Give a password. gonna force a synchronization. This by PowerShell. And we need a command line. I have here. So it's somewhere. Be this one. I will leave this on the comments as well. So this sync cycle. Full. Missing one. There you go, and we'll start a synchronization here. There you go. So you're gonna add the user. You can check what user is gonna be. It's our test user, and export successful. So our test user was created. We can check here user test with this email. Now we're gonna go to the tool, and we're gonna do refresh. Here it is, test user. Now we just need to come here and to give him a license. Do I have a license? Maybe I don't have a license. So I do have a license. Okay, there you go. It's done. I have a license. And soon we'll have a mailbox here on Action Server. There you go, guys. This was the tutorial for today. Hope I helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.